Hey guys, back with a new video. In this video, I will show you that how you can install Samsung screen recorder in your phone with Android 9 or Android 10. So there are some phones which have this recorder pre-installed like S series or Note series, but they have not installed it in another phones like Samsung A30, A10, A50, A70. So we will see how we can do that. So first of all, you have to download two apps, and these two apps from the Google. I will provide the link in the description, so you can download these two apps from the link in the description. Then afterwards you have to install both these apps. I have already done that. Then after installing, what you have to do is you have to swipe down the menu, and then you have to go in the button order, and then there is a place drag to add buttons. The record screen will appear in that section. In my phone it is not there because I have already installed record screen. So you have to drag it and put it here where my record screen is showing. So you have to do it just this, and it will be ready to run like this. It will show like this. Okay, so one more thing, I have not tried it on previous Android versions like Nougat or Android Oreo. So it should also work on these Androids. So you can do that by following this procedure. Okay, so thank you. We will meet in next video with other feature. Thank you.